Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to design elegant box mock-up. Let's go, ninjas. Jump into the creative battlefield. Create new layer. Rename layer. Select selection tool. Create rectangle shape. Fill color in rectangle shape. Convert new layer to smart object. Then transform new layer. Select skew transform. Place shape on box mock-up image. Select distort transform. Set edge to edge. Go to the layer menu, Smart Object, and select New Smart Object via Copy. For Create Smart Object New Copy, drag New Smart Object layer. Then set on box backside using Transform tools. Create New Smart Object via Copy. Drag New Smart Object layer. Then set on box right side using Transform tools. Double-click on Smart Object for Open Link layer, and fill white color for better visibility. Create new Smart Object via Copy. Drag new Smart Object layer. Then set on box left side using Transform tools. Create one more new Smart Object via Copy. Drag new Smart Object layer. Then set on box top flap using Transform tools. Create one more new Smart Object via Copy. Drag new Smart Object layer. Then set on box top folding flap using Transform tools. Double-click on Smart Object one by one for Open Link layers, and fill colors for better visibility. Create new layer the Create Shape using Selection tool. For creating top flap folding details, click on Gradient Color, then create Gradient. Then set folding detail layer on box flap using Transform tools. Create one more new Smart Object via Copy. Drag new Smart Object layer. Then set on top left side flap using Transform tools. For detailing top flap, follow my video setups for create top flap details. Double-click on front layer for open link layer. Open your artwork and copy. Then paste on link layer and set. Then save link layer. Artwork automatically set on box. Follow same steps for side flap. Select brush tool and create line on box frontage. For creating realistic details, then set opacity as per requirement. Select brush tool and create line top flap edge. For creating realistic details, then set opacity as per requirements. Select brush tool and create bottom shadow. Then set shadows from eraser tool. Create shape and transform. For creating realistic shadows, transform layer on perspectively. Then set opacity and shadows from eraser tool. Create shape for box side shadows. Then blur layer and set opacity. Then set from eraser tool. Select gradient panel and create gradient for background color. Set background as per your box artwork on color. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Like, share and hit the bell icon for more interesting tutorials. Thanks for watching my video. 1.